What's up guys, hope you're doing well. Today we'll have another look into Bitcoin because we just reached a very important support level. We want to check up on the price targets that I have mentioned in the last video, also on the time periods, and we also want to check the invalidation points. So let's have a look right here. First of all, for the people that didn't saw my last video about Bitcoin, we basically had two breakouts. The first one gives us the bigger price target. This is basically when we had the confirmed breakout of this high right here. You know, here we failed, here we failed again, and then here we finally had the confirmed breakout, and that gave us the price target of 144,466 till the 26th of December, so basically till the end of the year. And then we also had a smaller breakout, this one right here, and this breakout gives us a price target of 125,658 till the 28th of August, so basically till the end of August. That is, yeah, let's say just 1 month from now. And what we have done, I have said that we have retested a very important support level, and this support level is basically the breakout level. So you can see right here, this one right here was the old all-time high. We made a very nice breakout, and then we did some consolidation right here, but we not did the retest of the breakout level. And that is what I have mentioned for weeks right now in several other videos, that we may see a drop down here to do the retest of the breakout level, and then potentially also altcoins will start to follow. And we just made this yesterday, and today we touched the breakout level. Yeah, it's basically a pinpoint right here. So as you can see, we hit the support level exactly right here, bounced off. Today we had a very good day in the market, and this is first of all a very good sign. Right now I want to give you two more things right here, and the first one is I want to give you the invalidation point of the smaller price target. This is basically right here at 105,156. So if we have a daily candle close below this price, then this price target right here will be invalidated. That doesn't mean that we are not going there. That just means that we are not going there in the time window that we have right here. And that is first of all the very important invalidation point. And the reason why I mentioned this invalidation point right here is that I have also taken a look into the sentiment of the market. This one right here, the fear and greed index, you will know it. And what we can typically see right here, so first of all we did got from the greed levels back into the neutral stage. But what we can see very often is that when we have, even if we have the breakout moves, you can see it right here, we did the breakout of the old all-time high, then we bounced around, and here we had a pretty similar scenario, that then here we also had a correction, we jumped into the neutral levels again, then we made a little bounce to the upside, and then we did a retest. And only when we did the retest and we jumped into the fear levels, even if it was just a very tiny bit into the fear levels, that was marking the low, and only then we moved more to the upside, broken the old all-time high, and then got where we are right now. And that is why I would not rule it out that right now we are seeing some sort of a bounce. This probably gives us a little bit more conviction, and then we do a retest, and with this retest we are potentially then going into the fear levels, and then we are ready to move higher. This is just one example right here. It could also be that the neutral levels are already enough, but this is a scenario that I'm not ruling out. And you know that it can always happen that the market turns. Right now it still looks bullish, but in case we are not doing this move right here, but instead really dipping lower, I just want you to know that this level right here is the invalidation point of this price target that we have right here, that is attached to the time window. and that is something that I'm looking out for. First of all, right now we have some bullish action, which is very nice, and if we want to keep this one right here alive, this price target with this time window, we do not want to see this support level right here gets broken, even if we do a retest, because if we do this already, the likelihood for this one right here to be hit gets much smaller, and that is why we want to see Bitcoin stay above this support level. And also for all the other cryptos, we want to see this level gets held. Right now it all looks very nice, and I just want to give you this little update right now that the point that we have waited for all these days and weeks that we do the retest right now has finally happened. And right now there are three options. The first two options I give the higher likelihood. This is option number one, we go higher from here. Option number two, we do a retest, get some more fear in the market so that the sentiment gets into the fear levels, and then we are moving back to the upside. Or the third scenario, which is the lower probability right now, is that we are doing a retest, breaking the support levels right here, and in case we do this, then we need to reevaluate and see, okay, what is happening next right now. As I said, this is the lower probability. In case that happens, of course, I will upload another update video. Also in the coming days, I will upload a lot of other update videos on the altcoin market. So if you don't want to miss this, make sure to subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions or any specific coins you want me to have a look at, feel free to post that down in the comments. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.